Hey guys, Jess here. I'm back with a hybrid layout tonight, and right now I am showing you Photoshop, which is the program I'm using to build this spread, and it's the first layout in Wyatt's 2021 8x10 album this year, so a little bit different size. And so I thought for the first layout that I would do kind of like a stats or a facts page, you know, like his current height and weight and age and what his interests are right now. So that's what I'm building right now. I've got a photo from 2021, and then I'm going in and I filled in this black rectangle here on the right. And then I'm adding the text to fill out his facts, his favorite things, is like what he's into right now, so on and so forth. So I think it came out really cute, and this is just a different software, a little bit more advanced than Canvas, but I thought I'd be fun to show you guys. So the scripty font that you see currently in is a font called Merry Christmas Script. I really love the font a lot. I think it's fun. And then the smaller font that's all caps is called, I think, Listless Bliss maybe, or Listless something. But again, it's a really fun kind of like edgy, handwritten-y, I don't even know if that's a word, handwritten type of font. So I thought it was fun and kind of whimsical to start off with. So I'm building this journaling here on the right hand side by writing out the different categories: his favorite color, his favorite movie, his favorite song, his favorite food. Then I turn that to a gray, and then the answers to those questions I made white. So that adds like a little bit of visual difference to the text. Originally I thought going all white, but then it felt like there was just too much text in this the journaling space, and especially with that font style, I had to be very careful about how I laid this out. So I think it came out really, really nice. The combination of the light gray and the white, they balance each other out. And so I was able to fit everything in there nicely. I think this is so cute. And a great way to start an album, like these cute little memories that, you know, come a year from now we may not remember. So this was pretty quick. I only sped this up a little bit, but now we're going to move over to the album because the layout is done. And through the magic of not hitting record, here is the finished layout. So this is a cover sheet I had made along with the 3x4 journaling card for the album. And then when you flip it open, I have 8.5 by 11 with 3 photos going vertical of the same day. Some large sticker, cardstock sticker letters from an Allie Edwards collection. And then in the middle I have a 3x8 card, which I printed my journaling on the back. And then there on the right is the currently spread that you saw us make earlier in Photoshop. I really love how this came out. I think the 10x8 size is super fun. Sorry you didn't see the full process, but as you can see, it's a pretty simple layout. And here is the spread again inside the 10x8 album, so you can actually see the size and how it all fits together. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this size. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there'll be more of this to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great night. Bye.